Welcome to G&T's Kitchen. This is oatmeal peanut butter cookies, gluten-free, no wheat flour, and I will use 3.5 ingredients. Please continue watching and I'll see you in a bit. The ingredients needed to make gluten-free oatmeal peanut butter cookies. I'm going to use oats. I blended or grinded some, and then I have this one I did not grind. And then peanut butter, I'm using creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of baking soda. It is optional. Mixing bowl, I'm going to pour in the peanut butter. I'm not adding sugar. The peanut butter already has sugar. Don't want it too sweet. I'm going to pour the grinded oatmeal first of all. Baking soda goes inside, and I'm going to add 1 egg to it. Combine these ingredients together. The last thing I'm going to add is the oatmeal I did not grind. I grinded part of it first so that it holds together before I added the whole one, which is not grinded. Stiff dough, so I continued the rest using my hands, and later on I used 2 hands. Put it all mixed together. Look at the consistency. This is the consistency for the cookies. I'm going to drop the dough by spoonfuls into a baking tray. This one took a longer time. By the way, I brushed the paper with oil. This one is smoother, and so I'll continue with the rest. Fork, I'm going to shape it crisscross and bake in a preheated oven, medium to low heat, till it is done. Our gluten-free oatmeal peanut butter cookies is done. This is about 5 minutes later, and it is firm. You would not want to do this when it is hot because everything will fall apart. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.